Spring is the season of sprouting, when heaven and earth are both alive and all things flourish. This is the time when spring returns to the earth and everything is full of vitality. The yang energy inside the body is rising, making it a great time to take care of your health. Below the 5 tips for health and wellness in spring. Nourishing the liver and regulating emotions in spring. Diet should be warm and less acidic, with more sweet flavors. Beware of the spring chill, and keep warm. Get enough sleep and wake up early. Exercise and stretch your muscles. First, nourishing the liver and regulating emotions in spring. According to the theory of the 5 elements in traditional medicine, the liver corresponds to the wood element in spring, symbolizing the emergence of all things. Therefore, spring is the best time to nourish and protect the liver. In the human body, the liver belongs to the wood element, like smooth and unobstructed movements, regulates the drainage of energy, and has the function of regulating emotions. In the spring, as the yang energy rises, it is appropriate to follow the upward trend of the season and relax the spirit, rather than being overly tense. Moreover, traditional medicine regards the liver as a strong organ, which is prone to hyperactivity and reversal and is also called the general's organ. Therefore, maintaining an optimistic and cheerful mood in spring can help liver energy flow smoothly and play a role in disease prevention and health care. Learning to self-regulate and control emotions, avoiding anger when encountering unpleasant things, and promptly venting can prevent liver energy stagnation. Second, diet should be warm and less acidic, with more sweet flavors. In terms of spring health and nutrition, there has long been a saying of reducing acidity and increasing sweetness, which means to eat less sour foods and increase the intake of sweet foods. In the spring, the rising yang energy can be nourished by sweet foods, which is beneficial for the body's vigorous metabolism in the spring. According to the theory of the 5 elements, consuming more sweet foods such as dates, chestnuts, and peanuts can strengthen the spleen and invigorate energy. Sour foods have a contracting and astringent effect, which is not conducive to the relaxation of liver energy. In traditional medicine, the liver is dominant in the spring, and excessive consumption of sour foods can easily lead to liver energy hyperactivity, over-restraining the spleen, and affecting its digestion and transportation functions. As spring is the season of growth, it is recommended to eat more green vegetables and wild vegetables, such as coriander, bamboo shoots, spinach, celery, rapeseed, dandelion, and shepherd's purse, which can help dissipate internal heat. Avoid oily, cold, sticky, and hard foods to avoid damaging the liver and spleen. Third, beware of the spring chill, and keep warm. In spring, the first priority in dressing is to nurture yang. Spring is a season of transition from cold winter to warm spring, where the climate is still warming up, the coldness has not yet dissipated, and the weather is changeable with large temperature differences between day and night. As the saying goes, wear more clothes in spring and less in autumn, to adapt to the changing season. After the beginning of spring, do not reduce the number of clothes too quickly. We need some warm clothes to help resist the cold and protect our yang energy. In addition, don't wrap yourself up too tightly, as it can obstruct the circulation of energy and blood, limit the body's flexibility, and hinder the generation of yang energy. Finally, beware of the wind. As the weather gets warmer, some girls who love beauty wear low-waist pants, mini skirts, and other clothes too early in the season. At this time, the wind is mixed with coldness, and the body is easily affected by external evils, leading to joint pain, menstrual pain, and irregular menstruation. Fourth, get enough sleep and wake up early. Sleep is a physiological need of human beings, and 1/3 of our lives is spent in sleep. Therefore, sleep is a big event in our lives. When we sleep, most of our body's tissues and organs are in a state of rest, and high-quality sleep can relieve fatigue, restore physical and mental strength, and promote psychological and physical health. In terms of sleep, it's appropriate to go to bed early and wake up early in the spring. Generally, the specific sleeping time is around 10:30 p.m., and it's best to wake up around 6 a.m., which is beneficial for the growth of yang energy in the body. Create a peaceful sleep environment with fresh indoor air, suitable temperature and humidity, and comfortable bedding to enter a sweet dreamland. 5th, exercise and stretch your muscles. During spring, people should engage in appropriate exercise, such as outdoor activities like hiking and kite flying, and sports activities like walking, jogging, gymnastics, and tai chi. While stretching your muscles and relaxing your body, you can also get closer to nature, enjoy life, appreciate the beauty of nature, and relieve stress. All of these are beneficial for the generation of yang energy in the body and promoting the flow of energy. It's also a good idea to take some time out of your busy schedule and choose a scenic spot to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, enjoy a moment of peace, and let the yang energy that has been stored away in the body all winter fully recover and thrive in a natural environment. Above is the personal sharing to the normal people who has no obvious problem of the healthy and is not medical advice. If someone has some specific issue, that is better to consult your doctor and professionals. Everyone should take serious care of his own health.